Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check whether your Smartcard reader is working or not in Windows using command prompt. Let's get started. First, confirm in Device Manager that the Smartcard reader is detected with the proper driver. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. Now look for Smartcard readers. If your Smartcard reader appears without any warning symbol, Windows has detected the device with proper driver. If there is a yellow triangle, unknown device, or if Smartcard reader's category is missing, then the device might not be installed properly. Once you confirm the device is detected, continue to the next step. Now, type CMD in the Start menu, select Command Prompt. Type this command, certutil space, -scinfo, and press enter. Since there is no smart card inserted, the reader should still respond. You should see your smart card reader name, no card or similar message, basic reader details. Now, insert your smart card into the reader. Run the same command again. This time, Windows should read the card and display card ATR information, chip details and more. If the card is not working, you might see card not responding, the system could not access the card, and no ATR displayed. This test confirms whether both the reader and the smart card are functioning properly. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily check whether your Smartcard reader is detected and working properly in Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.